What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Drift Realm. We out here to
I saw that coming every time.
Welcome back to the Drift Realm.
Hurry the
Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Drift Realm. Today,
wait, where's your house keys?
they're in my pocket. Today, we're gonna work on 240s.
And I'm gonna drive his car!
No, you're not. No, dude, you can't run right now. It's gonna fall out. Bayrod's motor blew up. If you're not watching his videos right now, you're missing out. You need to go check out Bayrod Says on YouTube and keep up with the house. Secondly, we're on our way to pick up a motor for you. It is not assembled, but it's an SR Johnny, and it's very expensive. Let's go pick up some bangs, man. Figure out what's going on over there.
I don't know. Just making it harder for you to edit.
All right, we just got back picking up many SR parts. Here's a freshly machined SR head, freshly machined SR block. Then there's like cams and everything, brand new gaskets and everything, ECU, turbo timer, whole bunch of stuff. And that's only half of it. Here's Bayrod's old block. We tore the motor apart last night. She's not doing well. She's America's favorite breakfast. She's a toaster strudel. It's real bad. All right, check that out on his channel. I'm not gonna tell you about it here.
Check it out on my channel. He's not gonna tell you about it here.
We're gonna go work on a total power 240 that is not going to hinder whether I go drifting soon or not, but it does need to get fixed. I've been meaning to make a video for this car for a while, and I just don't care enough to do it. I think, honestly, I've been very focused on just getting my Beamer dialed mechanically and just trying to go rip and get seat time in that. But the time has come. I need to stop being a lazy son of a... I'm gonna show you guys the damage. I'm gonna run through it right now. We're gonna, oh, you guys are gonna be like, wow, Don, that's not fun. All right, so as we approach the car, you can tell, if you look close, all the Bondo and shit cracked along the body panels around the car. This guy broke off, so it's just zip tied, so I gotta fix that. And as we come to the side that really took the impact, you can tell the light got crushed. It looks like the light and housing itself is okay, but the cover and everything has got to go. And then if you look down here, the frame split right there, and here's the main impact area where it crumpled. The hood got it, and then the windshield broke from the impact as well. The side skirt's actually good. I just need to put the side skirt on. And then, as you know, the front bumper was obliterated. Other than that, I mean, it's definitely repairable. I could probably pull this out. That's what I initially wanted to do, but it doesn't seem like the right idea for this car. So I've gone ahead and bought this. This is an extra support, but I've got this. It's a clean front end. It's obviously not in perfect shape, but frame's not split, and it's a lot better than what I have now. So that will be coming soon for it. We're not doing that today. Today, we're gonna get some preparation going on getting towards that step. I'm gonna start taking things apart off the front, but first off, I just wanna see if this thing runs. We're gonna try to start it up. You still runs. Do you miss the KA life?
No. No, I do kind of.
It's not bad. Honestly, starting this car up for the first time in so long gets me a little excited for it, because I think initially when I had built this car, I had a lot of excitement for it, and then it went like from a lot of hard work and time put into it to it just being... All right, so the first things I'm gonna go ahead and do is just get the old beam off. I wanna get the headlight off, and I'm gonna take a lot of this stuff out that just got destroyed, so time to start removing the junk so I can replace it with less shitty stuff.
Did you even show them the new? The front new?
Yeah, I did show them the new.
You didn't bring
Remember
it over
when I showed you the new? I got it.
Just a GoPro oh shit moment where I'm like, ah.
All right, shove it down. There's a zip tie on that. Yeah, did you bring it? Honestly, this really didn't get messed up.
No, I would reuse that.
I lost the bolt. The hardware snapped on this side.
Yeah, I would reuse it.
I like hearing that. It's all hairs saved. Hella. Damn right there. I think this bolt just broke off. Just straight snapped it.
Snapped right in there. I see it in there.
Sick.
Pretty common.
Love when that happens. Are you wearing a wire? Check that out. Are you wearing a wire?
Nice. Right on top of the battery. Good idea.
Here's the carnage. Oh yeah, so now you can really kind of see the damage of it and just where it's like shearing all the metal away and just really opened it right up, man. It sucks.
And did you tell him how the accident happened?
It was
a
a big ass lifted Chevy with huge mud tires, and he cut me off, and so it sent my car into the air. Just so the entire frame just went, and then I went, and my back was like, it was not fun, dude. Dude, like, I want to like clean this up and like redo the valve cover.
No.
And make it sick.
No.
Look at this.
It's not worth it.
I got a couple things off. Take the intake off. We'll get the radiator out, and then we'll cut this open. Start pulling the wires back. But just pretty much getting everything off of this front area so we can get it prepped in order to get the new front clip. All right, let's drain this main vein. Get this out of here.
You want to say something different or something?
No, well, that'll go.
Look at this. Oh, that's nasty.
Oh my God, don't look at that. Dude, this thing is so light. Oh my God, you can see through it. This thing weighs nothing, bro. This radiator cannot be cooling anything.
You can see through it.
The fact that you can just, wow.
Yeah, no, the camera can even see through it too.
Wow. Chances are whoever ran this motor before just put like hose water in it, which in small amounts isn't really a big deal, but when you have a lot of it, you get a large amount of mineral deposit and higher levels of rust. So that's definitely gonna need to change. So I'll flush the system. So kind of funny looking at this, we've started looking at like, I was tucking this wire and I started looking at everything. I didn't even realize that these were just zip ties and it's different stages of weave levels. Somebody just weaved them all together. And if you like stand back, like it looks kind of legit, like it's not bad, you know? All right, man, so we got wiring harnesses pulled back a little bit. We've got it all pulled out of here. One going through the frame is out. The radiator's out, intake's out. Cleaned up a couple wires that were really ugly, and that's about it. I also pulled the wheel off that side because the coilover's bent. I actually don't think I've showed that. Yeah. But we're done with this for today. And then if you come over here, you look at the coilover, it's bent right there.
Oh, I see it.
That angle to see it.
Yeah.
So there's an extra like -3 degrees of camber. So that's broken, that's broken, that's broken, that's broken. But that's
it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. The next step is going to be to have a fabricator come through and check out the car and go through how we want to put on the new corner. We probably won't even do the whole front clip, but it's in the air right now, so I don't know yet. That's the next step. That's what we're going to do, and then we're done for today. It's probably a short video, but thanks for joining me. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Tell your friends. That's what it's all about. And thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.